Experience Hanoi like never before in this immersive 360-degree VR PoV tour. Buckle up for this 8-day Vietnam adventure. We're here in Sapa. Oh, the place is beautiful. There's another lake. For some reason, there's a lot of lakes here in Vietnam. Wow, what a beautiful sunset. This is the Hotpot center, but the Hotpot here is a bit expensive. So we're looking for a Hotpot that's cost effective but also delicious. There are a lot of buffets here. Some serve salmon, some just beef. You just choose what you like and what is most valuable for you. The vibe here is very relaxing compared to the one in Hanoi. So if you want a relaxing place, this would be for you. Spend more time here. So I found out that Sapa means city in the fog. We don't have fog now, but I know there's a lot of fog here. We're on our way to the Hotpot. So have a good dinner later on after we get hungry. And stairs. More stairs. The place here is as cold as Baguio, but at winter it's a lot colder. Just a bit more. More stairs. Are we there yet? 50 meters. Yes, we're here. So the price here is only 99k per person. The ones at the Hotpot area is around 400 to 800k for a whole set. So it's around half cheaper. The question is it worth the distance that we walked? We're here. So this 99k if you want seafood.
Lẩu cọc. Yes. The first, I think you keep and the swing, sushi and the dumpling and octopus. The first, maybe in 10 or 15 minutes they're done.
Okay.
And tofu and the meat and then 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, and the vegetable and the fry or 7 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
For around 300 to 400 pesos.
Hindi, 200.
Including
270.
seafood plus
Ay, hindi. Yung may seafood, 320.
Yes.